Skip logic in SurveyMonkey allows you to direct respondents to different questions or pages based on their previous answers, creating a more personalized and relevant survey experience. Here's how to use skip logic. Create or open a survey. Log into your SurveyMonkey account and either create a new survey or open an existing one. Add questions. Set up your survey questions as usual. Make sure the questions you want to apply skip logic to are already added. Enable skip logic. Click on the questions where you want to apply skip logic. In the questions editing panel, find and select the logic tab. Set up skip logic rules. Choose skip logic and set conditions based on the respondent's answer. For example, if a respondent selects yes to a question, you can direct them to a specific follow-up question or skip them to a different page entirely. Configure the skip destination. Select the destination question or page the respondent should be directed to after answering. You can repeat this process for multiple answer options. Test the logic. Preview your survey and test the skip logic to ensure it's working as intended. Save and publish. Once everything is set, save your changes and publish the survey.